A new dream, a new identity, a new era of American muscle. This is the Audi A6 Limousine, where raw power meets modern precision. The future doesn't just arrive, it roars. Watch this video till the end, because what's coming next might just surprise you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearstorm. Today we're diving into one of the most refined, tech-laden luxury sedans to hit the roads in 2026, the Audi A6 Limousine. If you're into understated elegance paired with cutting-edge innovation and serious on-road performance, then stick around, because this car might just redefine your expectations for executive sedans. Let's start with the front. The 2026 A6 Limousine features a slightly redesigned fascia that doesn't scream for attention, but commands respect. Audi's signature single-frame grille is now wider and flatter, with a cleaner mesh pattern and sharper contouring that aligns with the brand's latest design language. Flanking the grille are the new HD Matrix LED headlamps, slimmer, more angular, and even smarter. They adjust dynamically based on road conditions, traffic, and speed, and Audi's new laser high beam system is integrated as standard on higher trims. Below, the air intakes have grown subtly, finished in black chrome or aluminum depending on the package, and overall, the front end balances aggression with elegance like very few in the segment. Moving to the side, the A6 Limousine stays true to its DNA smooth, elongated proportions with a long wheelbase and flowing lines. However, there's a subtle evolution. The character lines are more pronounced and aerodynamic efficiency has been improved across the board. Flush door handles, now standard, enhance the premium look while aiding airflow. The car sits on newly designed 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels, with options ranging from sporty to ultra-luxury finishes. One thing you'll notice immediately is the improved cabin insulation. Double-glazed side windows come standard on the Prestige and Up, contributing to a whisper-quiet ride. Around back, the 2026 A6 takes a more sculpted approach. The rear lights are fully old and come with selectable light signatures. You can actually choose how your tail lights animate when locking or unlocking the car. A new continuous light strip connects the rear lamps, giving the sedan a tech-forward, futuristic appearance. Dual exhaust tips are neatly integrated into a reworked rear bumper that's sportier yet refined. The trunk lid now features a subtle, active lip spoiler that deploys at speed for better stability. Slide inside, and Audi's knack for crafting premium cabins is immediately evident. The 2026 A6 Limousine offers a minimalist, ultra-luxurious interior. The dashboard is sleek and horizontal, wrapped in fine Valcona leather, brushed aluminum, or open-pore walnut depending on your configuration. The center console floats slightly higher and integrates seamlessly with the gear selector, giving off a cockpit-like vibe. Audi's latest touch response system has been upgraded with faster processors and crisper graphics. You now get a 14.1-inch central display, paired with a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit and an optional 10-inch front passenger display. Voice control is more natural, finally catching up to Mercedes MBUX in terms of fluidity and recognition. And yes, it now supports full ChatGPT integration for travel suggestions, emails, or even summarizing meetings while you drive. As for seats, they're as good as ever. Massaging, ventilated, heated, with new posture correction tech and adaptive side. Bolsters that adjust in corners. Rear passengers aren't left out either. Thanks to the extended wheelbase in the limousine variant, rear legroom is generous and options include reclining seats, a fold-down entertainment display, and even a refrigerated center console. Under the hood, the 2026 A6 offers a refined mix of performance and efficiency. The base model gets a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder mild hybrid producing 261 horsepower, which is surprisingly capable for daily drives and highway cruising. But the real gem lies in the upgraded 3.0-liter V6, also a mild hybrid, that puts out 375 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. It does 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds while delivering improved fuel economy over the previous generation. Both engines come mated to a smooth 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission and, of course, Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. Handling is precise, steering is well-weighted, and adaptive air suspension is standard on the limousine, offering either cosseting comfort or composed agility. Depending on your drive mode, there's also a plug-in hybrid version on the horizon with over 60 miles of electric-only range thanks to a new 22K battery pack. For those waiting for the full EV, that'll be the A6 e-tron, which is a separate model entirely. As for pricing, the 2026 Audi A6 Limousine starts at around $63,000 in the US for the base. Premium trim with the 2.0-liter engine. The mid-tier Premium Plus with the V6 will run you closer to $72,000, and the Prestige trim fully loaded with air suspension, HD Matrix lights, B&O 3D sound, and all the interior luxuries hits about $80,000 at a few choice packages, like the executive rear seat pack or Audi design selection, and you're looking north of $90,000. Expensive? Yes, but for what you're getting, tech, performance, design, and prestige, it's right in line with the E-Class and 5 Series, and arguably even more refined. So, is the 2026 Audi A6 Limousine worth your money? If you want a luxury sedan that blends innovation with sophistication without shouting about it, then absolutely. It's confident, capable, and incredibly well-rounded. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more weekly automotive deep dives. And let us know in the comments, would you take this over the new BMW 5 Series or Mercedes E-Class? Thanks for watching Gearstorm. Catch you in the next one.